last week, we had discussed about how it is important to be present in whatever we take up or what we do in our daily life. Because if we are not completely present, if there is a thought that is always running in your mind other than the task that you are with, our prana or our energy gets divided. So we only have so much energy to finish the task in hand, and the balance prana or energy goes to the thought which is running in the back of the mind. So very important, as far as possible, to not have a thought running parallel whenever we are trying and doing something, whether it's talking to somebody, whether we are listening to somebody, whether we are doing some action. It can be cooking, it can be going for a walk, it can be doing some other creative work. Yeah, so to be very aware if we can completely be present, it, even as you are eating, very important. So that was another thing that I wanted to mention today, how important it is that we eat on time, sleep on time, and have our medications on time. These are the most essential and much required tasks that we need to handle. And we need to make sure this is done. We cannot be very careless about them, because they can influence, they can take a toll on the condition, on our well-being. So we can do everything else only if we eat on time and sleep on time. So we try our level best to do that and to be present in whatever we are trying to do. That was the topic last week, and we're going to just take that a little further today. Yes, so if we can sit straight, trying to be completely present in whatever we are trying to do today. So on inhale, I want you to take your arms all the way up, and as you exhale, arms down and relax. Take a breath. Yes, let's try that. So those who are lying down, you can take your arms from the bed through, like from the side, touching the bed, taking the arms up, and exhale, arms down, touching the bed as far as it is comfortable. Yes, let's try that. Please being completely present with that breath, with that movement. Take a breath. And to be very conscious that our actions do not become very mechanical. Inhale, take your arms up again. Let's continue. Feel what is happening to the body and your breath as you take the arms up. On inhale. And exhale, arms down. Relax. Take a breath. Please continue 3 more times. At your own pace, inhale. Let it be as slow as possible. Exhale, arms down. 2 more times. Keeping the breath and the movement nice and smooth. A gentle pause after every breath. One last time. Inhale, be completely present with that breath and the movement. Bring in a meditative quality to your movement and your breath. Please take a breath. Now what we are trying to do, is on inhale, we take both the arms up from the side, and on exhale, we bring the arms down from the front. Yes, can we try that, please? Arms from the side on inhale, drawing a huge circle. Feel the stretch. And exhale slowly, gently, relaxing, bringing the arms down from the front. Please take a breath, relax, and then continue. 3 more times. Inhale. And gently start relaxing, exhaling, arms down. Take a breath. 2 more times, please. One last time. Slow, controlled movement, slow, controlled breathing. Now, if we can, this is exactly what we are going to do. I'll just show you. So on inhale, you're going to breathe in, and as you breathe, inhale, come up again. So on exhale, you're going to hum. Yes? So inhale, open the chest, lift the chin up slightly, and hum long as you slide the palm all the way down. Inhale, slide the palm back up, opening the chest. Exhale, relax. Yes? Can we try that, please? Inhale, opening the chest, breathing in. If you can just inhale, opening the chest. And as you hum, slide the palms down and stretch. Be careful. Make sure you're sitting comfortably on a chair. Inhale, come up. Exhale, take a breath, relax. And then you can continue again. Every inhale, opening the chest, breathing in. And exhale, slide the palms down along your legs, all the way down, as far as you can reach, and you're comfortable. Stay there for a breath if possible. Inhale. Open the chest, breathe in, come up. Exhale, relax, take a breath. And you can continue again, please. Let's do 3 more rounds. Inhale. Exhale. As you hum, go down, keeping the hum nice and comfortable. Inhale, come up and take a breath. Relax. Let's try that again, please. One more time. Feel it. Be completely present with the breath and the movement. Once you're done, please come back to a comfortable seated position. Come back to natural breathing. Yes, so today we are going to, last time we had relaxed the whole body. Today we are going to look at very important 4 points. They say that these are energy powerhouses. Every time you connect to these points, you can connect to the energy within. Yes. So if we can try, I'm going to be mentioning these 4. So the first one will be to bring your focus to both your heels. Yeah, heels. Just as you're seated or lying down comfortably, you can decide as to what is comfortable for you. Just bring your focus to your heels. Yes, so I'm going to mention these points first and then we will get into the practice. The second one would be the navel. So I'm going to ask you to be there for a while. We are going to inhale in these spots and we are going to chant. Ah. Then we're going to inhale again into those spots and we're going to chant. Again, inhale and every point, every time, every spot that I'm mentioning, we are going to spend some time, take 3 breaths. Every inhale, you're going to breathe into that spot and exhale, you're going to use a sound, ah. The second breath would be oo, third would be Yes, so we have finished the heels, then the navel. Now we come to your shoulder blades. Bring your focus to your shoulder blades. Both your shoulder blades, just trying to focus, that's all, keeping the body completely relaxed and bringing your focus to the shoulder blades. And we repeat the same 3 breaths using these 3 sounds. Fourth space will be the chin, making sure that the head is in line with the spine. We are neither bending forward nor are we opening the chin out. Then the head is not in line with the spine. Just by ensuring that our head is in line with the spine, you will be able to touch the energy center within you. So we are going to bring our focus to these 4 points. Yes, so please get into a comfortable position. You can lie down, you can be seated, you decide. What happens is we need to be very sure or clear that the back is straight. If the back is rounded, if we do not have a back support, the back is rounded. If the back is rounded, then there is no free flow of breath. So when we are talking about energy points, it's very important that we allow free flow of breath. And we can ensure that only when we are seated in a straight position. And for that, you need to either have a back support or you need to lie down. So everyone, please get into a comfortable position. Feet comfortably placed on the floor. Feel your feet on the floor. Yes. Make sure you're sitting straight if you're sitting. If you're lying down, make sure you're lying down straight. Feet relaxed. Those who are seated, feel the feet on the floor. Palms open, shoulders relaxed, eyes closed. Just focus on my voice. Do not worry about the technique. Allow the mind, the body to calm, quieten down. And make sure that the breath is flowing freely in and out. Palms open. Those who are seated, place your palms on your thighs, palms open and on your thighs. Just taking a few natural breaths and making all the adjustments that need to be done for the body to get into a comfortable position. And once you're done, if we can breathe into the whole body, bringing the whole body into your focus, breathe into the whole body. And as you chant, relax the whole body. Let's try Una, inhaling into the whole body. Be aware of how you sound. Make sure the sound is calming and completely relaxed. Let's try. So now we move to the heels. Bring your focus to the heels. Both your heels. Inhaling into the heels and chanting. Take a breath. Inhale again, bringing your focus, breathing into your heels, both your heels, and chanting ooh this time. Ooh. Again, taking a breath, relaxing before you breathe into the heels with complete focus on relaxing, connecting to the heels, and hum. Take a breath, ensuring that the heels are completely relaxed. Now bring your focus to your navel, the lower abdomen. Inhaling into the navel and chanting. Completely relaxing and breathing into the navel. Take a breath once you're done. Before you move to the next breath, breathe in and chant ooh this time, focusing on the navel. Take a breath. Anytime the mind wanders, just bring it back to the area of focus or the breathing. Inhaling again into that lower abdomen, the navel area. We are humming this time. See if you can connect to the vibrations of the sound. Take a breath, relax. Now, if you can bring your focus to both your shoulder blades. Take your time, take a few breaths to find a comfortable focus point between both your shoulder blades. And once you have engaged with your shoulder blades, inhale into the spot, the area. And if you can chant ah, loud and long. Take a breath. Inhale again into the shoulder blades. And ooh, this time. Take a breath before you breathe in again into the shoulder blades. Making sure you do not tense the shoulders or your arms as you're doing this. And we hum this time. Allowing the whole body to be relaxed as you're breathing. Now we move our attention to the chin, the neck, the throat area. Making sure that the head is in line with the spine. The spine is not rounded, the back is not rounded. We are not hanging the head in front, but the head is standing tall, sitting tall on the spine. As you're lying down, ensure that the head is in line with the spine, shoulders relaxed. Connect to this straightness of the spine and the head. Inhale into the throat, the neck region, and chanting ah, ah. Take a breath, relax before you inhale again. Connect to the straightness of the spine and the head. Take a breath, relax, and move to the next breath, breathing into the spine and the neck area, connecting to the straightness and humming this time. Take a breath. And now bringing your focus again to the whole body. Inhaling into the whole body and chant Ah on exhale. Ah. Let's try 2 more times. Same sound Ah. See if you can connect with the vibrations through the body. Head to toe. Inhale again into the whole body and chant long and loud. Ah. Take a breath one more time, connecting to the whole body, feeling the vibrations as you chant Ah. Ah. Take a breath. Again, breathing into the whole body. And this time, we are chanting Ooh. Connect to the vibrations, feel it. Ooh. Take a breath. 2 more times, please. Inhaling, connecting to the whole body, filling the body with all the energy that you need, feeling the vibrations as you chant. Ooh. Take a breath. One last time with Ooh. Inhaling into the body, whole body, and chanting Ooh, Ooh. Take a breath. Now we are going to again breathe into the whole body, but this time we are going to chant all the three together. Keeping your eyes closed, shoulders relaxed, connect to the whole body, breathing in and chanting. Trying to connect with the vibrations. Please do that at your own pace, 3 more times. Inhale, feel the whole body. Fill it with all the energy that you need. And feel the vibrations as you chant long and loud. Take a breath before you move to the next breath. Inhale, becoming completely aware of the whole body. One last time. Inhaling, connect with the whole body and chant. Continue to sit with your eyes closed. Focus on your natural breathing. Stay with the vibrations, with the quietness after the chanting, just for a little while. Continue to be with your natural breath. Trying to connect to the vibrations, still lingering. Anytime the mind wanders, just bring it back to the sensations in the body and the breath, allowing the whole body to quieten down and the breath to be as subtle as possible. In complete relaxation. I'm going to chant Shanti 3 times. Shanti at the body level, the breath level, and the mind level. If we can connect to that calmness at all 3 levels as you listen to my chanting. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Again, the body, the breath, and the mind. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. One last time, completely allowing the body, the breath, and the mind to relax. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Gently take your time. If you can, rub your palms, generate some heat. Feel the heat when you rub the palms and place them on your eyes. Feel the heat on your eyes. Gently open your eyes as you bring your palms down and relax. Thank you everyone for joining today.